Hello there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you are going to see how to make Snapchat account private on Android. So to do that, let's head over to your Snapchat application. And once you're there, just head over to your profile by tapping the Bitmoji on the top left corner. And then tap on the gear icon on the top right. And in here, scroll down. And here you'll find the option of privacy control. And in here, go to contact me and just save it to friends. And here, use Bitmoji avatar to only me. And here, view my story from custom to friends only. So, see me in find friends, just check mark it. And activity indicator, here, turn it off. See my location, turn it off. And yeah, this is how you can just make your Snapchat account private. As there is no one single touch option to make your account private, we have to do some chores to make your Snapchat account private. So hope this video helps you out, and if you have any question, just comment down below and we will reach you.